Why Americans are so stressed about money. Jason wakes up to the sound of his phone buzzing, another bill reminder. He sighs, rubbing his tired eyes. It's the first week of the month, and his paycheck is already spoken for: rent, car payment, student loans, groceries, and that unexpected medical bill from last month. He does some mental math. Will there be anything left for savings? Probably not. This isn't just Jason's story. This is America's story. The reality of financial stress in America. Americans are more stressed about money today than ever before. In fact, according to a 2023 survey by the American Psychological Association, 65% of Americans say that financial worries are a major source of stress. But why? The U.S. is one of the richest countries in the world, so why do so many of its citizens feel financially trapped? To understand, we need to break it down into four major areas: the cost of living crisis, debt culture, job insecurity, and the psychological toll of financial uncertainty. But more importantly, let's discuss how we can fix each of these problems. The cost of living, when everything gets more expensive. Jason's rent just went up by 10% this year. His grocery bill has increased by 20% compared to last year. Gas prices fluctuate so wildly that he doesn't know if his commute will cost him $50 or $100 a week. Solution: the cost of living in America has skyrocketed, but solutions exist. Cities and states can introduce rent control policies to prevent landlords from increasing rent unchecked. Expanding affordable housing projects can help bring down housing costs. Consumers can also use budgeting apps to track expenses and find areas to cut unnecessary spending. The debt trap: living on borrowed money. Jason owes $35,000 in student loans. He's also got $5,000 in credit card debt, thanks to an emergency car repair last year. He makes his minimum payments every month, but somehow, his balance never seems to shrink. Solution: the debt crisis can be tackled by increasing financial literacy, teaching people how to manage credit responsibly, avoid high-interest loans, and prioritize paying down debt. On a systemic level, student loan forgiveness programs and lower interest rates for education loans can help relieve financial burdens. Individuals can also consider debt consolidation programs to reduce interest rates and make repayments more manageable. Job insecurity: the fear of losing everything. Jason has a stable job, for now. But he saw what happened during the pandemic. Friends and family members who thought they had secure careers suddenly found themselves unemployed. Solution: to combat job insecurity, companies should be encouraged to offer stronger employee protections, and policies supporting worker rights should be strengthened. Building an emergency fund, even if just a small amount each month, can provide a financial cushion. Learning new skills or obtaining certifications can also increase job security and open doors to better-paying opportunities. The psychological toll: the stress that never ends. All of this financial pressure isn't just about numbers, it's taking a massive toll on mental health. Jason feels anxious every time he checks his bank account. He can't sleep some nights, wondering if he'll ever be able to retire. He's not alone. Solution: financial stress is real, but it can be managed. Practicing mindfulness, using financial planning tools, and seeking support from financial advisors or mental health professionals can make a big difference. Employers can also help by offering financial wellness programs as part of employee benefits. The systemic problems behind financial stress. It's easy to blame individuals for not budgeting better or saving more, but the truth is, many of these issues are systemic. Wages haven't kept up with inflation. While CEO salaries have skyrocketed, the average worker's pay has barely increased in real terms over the last 40 years. Solution: advocating for fair wages, raising the minimum wage, and creating policies that protect workers from stagnant incomes can help bridge the gap. Healthcare is ridiculously expensive. A simple trip to the emergency room can cost thousands, even with insurance. Solution: expanding healthcare coverage, pushing for more transparency in medical billing, and offering more affordable insurance options can ease this burden. There's no real safety net. Unemployment benefits are limited, and many social programs are underfunded or difficult to access. Solution: strengthening social safety nets by expanding unemployment benefits and making social assistance programs more accessible can provide relief to those in need. Financial education is lacking. Schools teach algebra but not how to manage a credit score, invest, or avoid predatory loans. Solution: integrating financial literacy courses into high school and college curriculums can equip future generations with the knowledge to make smarter money decisions.